Kirrip program was initially known as the MATES program here at RMIT. It's an opportunity for people to come, meet others, have fun activities, and make friends at the end of the day. We have a lot of workshops happening, and also you can put in your own insights as to what seems like a good workshop to get people to get involved in. That's something I did because I come from biology background and I wanted to put in more science focus and biology focused activities which are very fun, like microscoping and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to contribute to all of those things.
We do have a lot of activities happening. So as you can see on this board, we have Melbourne experiences happening right now. We have the National Art Gallery based show, then we have NGV tours, we have hiking sessions coming up, so a lot of different things happening.
And just to add to the Melbourne experiences, you get to eat a lot. And we had the food festival, the Melbourne Food Festival happening last week. Kirrip went for 2 of those days and it was really good.
I decided to join Kirrip because I wanted to be a part of RMIT, I wanted to be a part of the community, and it just seemed like a really great place to meet people and make new friends. Yeah.